Ready to unlock the secrets to landing your dream job at Microsoft? First, understand that Microsoft seeks individuals with a blend of technical prowess and soft skills. This includes strong problem-solving abilities, communication, and collaboration. Showcase these skills in your resume and cover letter, highlighting specific achievements with quantifiable results. For example, instead of saying improved team efficiency, say improved team efficiency by 15% by implementing a new project management system. Next, nail the interview. Prepare for behavioral questions by using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. To structure your answers, research common Microsoft interview questions, focusing on leadership principles and cultural values. Practice your responses out loud, paying attention to clarity and conciseness. Also prepare technical questions by practicing coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode. Finally, demonstrate your passion for Microsoft's mission and values. Research their products, initiatives, and impact on the world. Show genuine enthusiasm for their work and articulate how your skills and aspirations align with their goals. Network with current Microsoft employees through LinkedIn or career fairs to gain valuable insights and potentially secure a referral. Follow these steps and you'll significantly increase your chances of joining the Microsoft family. Good luck.